Well, I decided I'll go with see if we can fix up the 620B. I figured I'd do this one first. Not a whole lot going on CB here, so I said I start with the 6-meter radio, get her up and running first. But so we just swapped out the 2SC1307, so she's been swapped, and she's now residing right there, the one you sent me. And so I'm going to try her out in a minute. Well guys, just still playing around with the 620B here, and as I said earlier, I did change out the final, and well, the most I'm able to get out of this radio at the moment is 3 watts sideband. I can't get any more out of her. I don't know if the final is bad now. I tried 2 of the drivers that everybody in BC sent out to me. I tried both of the drivers in her, just figuring one of them might be bad. Tried both of these. The 1306 had very little drive. The 1969 had even less again. So the most I can get on this meter here in the 20 watt scale is 3 watts. 1 watt AM, 3 watt sideband. So I'm not sure what's going on. If the final is bad now, or something from the final out, or something going out PA, or what, I have no idea what's going on here now. She got me perplexed. She got me perplexed here now altogether. But yeah. Anyways, so I guess what I should do now is just order in a new set of finals for her, I guess. NTE, I think it's a 235 and a 236. I get them for like 30 bucks. So I'm gonna get a new set of, I think I'll get a new set of outputs for her and go that route and see what she says. But for right now, the most I can get out of this radio is 3 watts sideband. So I'll just show you now. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra testing. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta, Sierra test. 5, 5, audio. So, there we go. 5 watts is the most that I can get out of this 620B at the moment. 3 watts. Anyways, that's it, guys. Right now I'll put her back on the shelf and wait to get more parts for her, I guess. If anybody else got any suggestions as to what might be going on with this 620B, let me know. Because I know there's a few of these floating around out there, and if anybody's got any information on these as to why they have such low power after a certain amount of time, let me know. Anyways, thanks for watching.